I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you have administrative rights and a current backup of the Generals folder. Once done, set the game executable to Windows XP SB3 compatibility and disable full-screen optimizations. That prevents modern OS hooks from breaking DirectX 8.1 calls. Next, extract the DirectX 8.1 runtime installer and run it with admin privileges, so legacy DLLs install to System32 and SysWOW64 appropriately. After installation, reboot and return here to continue file-level fixes. Now you repair the runtime linkage, register or replace offending DLLs like DDRAW, DLL, and D3D8. DLL in the correct system folders. Use regs for 32 when registration is required. After that, run sfc/scano to catch system-level corruption and manually restore any flagged DirectX components. Then apply the community compatibility patch or official update to the Generals executable to ensure it calls the legacy APIs properly. Make sure to run the game once after each major change to isolate which step fixed the error. Finally, you finish by launching the game as administrator and testing windowed mode to reduce driver conflicts. Update GPU drivers, but avoid bleeding-edge releases that drop legacy support. If the DirectX 8.1 error still appears, note the exact error code and inspect Event Viewer application logs to identify the faulting module. This tells you whether a DLL or permission is responsible. If nothing else works, try a clean user profile or a temporary VM to rule out profile corruption. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals hidden config issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.